Hey yo, apart from God wey be the creator of heaven and earth, so money na be one of the most important thing for this life wey we dey so. Wetin money fit do, even man sef no fit talk am. If you ugly, money go make you fine. If people no dey respect you before, money go make people respect you. Anything you want for this life, you go get am so long you get money. If money go give you joy, money go give you happiness, money go give you love, money go make you go far places, even people wey even dey educated pass you sef. So tell me, if I dey think, wetin you feel say I dey think? Na how I wan take make money, how I wan take get this love, this billions wey go make my family no suffer again till the day they die. That dey for nigga. So you should buckle up on whatever you put your hands doing, because if it's not making money, it's not making sense. Because they say na wetin you look through face, na your mate go take pass you. So you good make you put your hand for many things for the life. So far say you no put am for bad things, so far say you no dey do bad thing.